fall and ask for nothing at the pane. Quiet at the window while the trains cross the plain. My finger traces the buried date and finds it bare, and summer shed the old rules it once agreed to wear. The sky turns red with smoke above the roofs at noon. The forecast rings like sirens that strike too soon. I check the glass at dawn, pause where habit used to be. I used to read the sky, now the sky is reading me. The weather is not the background anymore. It ended its long sentence, broke down the door. The heat is standing taller than the walls we raise. The river takes the street it claimed in other days. The weather is not the background anymore. The sky has come inside and taken the floor. We thought that nature happened somewhere far from here. We stood inside it every season, every year. We drew a script that gave the earth a painted part, and every borrowed line we knew it all by heart. We planted both our feet against a floor that swayed, and learned this borrowed ground was never ours to trade. The morning does its work, the kettle and the light. The buses take the corner, everything looks right. But something in the floor keeps moving under me, and no one at the table says the thing they see. The weather is not the background anymore. It stands out in the yard, it has found the door. I hold my hand against the glass and count to 3. Do I open the window, or does it open?